Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGLB. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Don't believe I've ever done this one before, but I've had actually quite a few questions coming on it, and I can see why. A little surprising why it's not more popular on the message boards and chat rooms and such, because it is a very nice looking chart. What I mean by that is when you pull it up, I mean this is what an uptrend looks like. You can see came to life back here, and ever since then been putting in higher lows and higher highs, and that's the name of the game. So like I said, don't think I've ever done this one before, but after seeing, the chart and the request on it, looks like a pretty fun one to do. So let's get this thing annotated, and that way everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. First thing I want to do is just start off with some supports. At the end of the day, the key level of support is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Again, you can see that it's been tested a couple times. Here and the price bounce, and here it did a good job of holding. Price did fall below it there, but you can see got back up above it pretty quick, which was a good sign of strength. But as far as the overall trend and like just trend indicators go, as long as the price remains above that purple line, then the bulls are certainly in charge. And as you can see, price is well above it. So I just want to point that out. In terms of some nearer term support levels, first level is going to be right up here, and this is what I would classify as the ideal or best case scenario level of support. This is at 0.247, meaning if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the strongest, I would say, well, as long as this level holds, then that would make this chart look extremely strong. But if the chart does not hold it, by no means should you panic or anything like that. The next level of support is right down here based off the previous high over here, and that's at 21.5 cents, so 0.215. That'll be another area of support on the chart. So these two, and then another one I see, as you can, I won't make that point yet. Map this one out. After this one, the next one would be this little section of highs here, and then you can see it acted as support right there. So that level is at 18 cents. So these will be the three areas of support. And then the point that I wanted to make was when we talk about resistances, not really much to talk about, because all there is for resistance is this one right up here. And usually I make my resistances red, but I'm going to make this one the color of the sky, because with a breakout or with a break of here, you're back into blue sky breakout territory. Again, scrunching up the chart, you can see there's no previous history over here that I can use as resistance. So what did I say that value was? 0.276 is going to be the blue sky breakout level where you're back above to no other resistances. But as you can see, the path of least resistance is definitely up. Only one roadblock here, whereas if the bears want to try to push the price down, they have roadblocks all over the place. So again, path of least resistance is undoubtedly up. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out next week. If you found the video helpful and want to learn more about charts, or maybe you already use charts and you're looking to learn some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above there. We have courses designed for both the beginner all the way up to advanced traders. We've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. They are all available in instant download format, so you can literally get started on them today if you so choose. And in fact, we just released a new course this past week, Trampoline Trading, designed all about how to play the bounce and find short squeezes before they happen. So I'd really encourage you to check that one out in particular. One more time, this was SGLB. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.